Jesus, back to the cross I am called. I've drifted too far and I've wandered from the Savior who once was my own. I'm out on a sea filled with sorrow, tossed like a ship to and fro. I'm seeking the help of my Savior. Back to the cross I must go. The sins of this world have overcome me, have crushed and left me alone. So I'm going back to my Savior, back to the cross and home. Jesus, keep me near the cross. There's a precious fountain, free to all, a healing stream flows from Calvary's mountain. At the cross I stood one day, love and mercy found me. There the bright and morning star shed its beam around me. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my rapturous soul shall find rest.